What is Shopify Dropshipping? What is Shopify and what is dropshipping? Hi, I am Next from Pixel Next, and today we'll be talking about what is Shopify Dropshipping. So maybe you've been wondering, maybe you've been thinking of opening an online business, of opening your own online store, having an online presence for your business. You want to sell your products, but you don't know what products to sell. And even if you did have the products, if you did find the perfect products from the perfect supplier, you wouldn't know if the customers would actually buy from you. Because in the end, that's the goal of every business owner. Every business owner wants their customers to buy from them. Because without the customers, businesses are nothing. With dropshipping, you can sell pretty much anything you want, ranging from home appliances, electrical appliances, small tools, big tools, lipsticks, girls stuff, boys stuff, anything you want without having to own them in hand. So you don't actually need to have them with you. You don't need to store them inside your house, your warehouse, your room. You just sell them from the supplier to your customers. The requirements are low as compared to any other business because you only need 4 things basically to start things off with. First, you need a computer or a laptop to operate your business on. Secondly, you need an Ecom store. And this is where Shopify comes in. Shopify is an online platform to have your online store on. So it provides the platforms for you to have your online store, to source those products inside them and potentially sell them off to your customers. Third, you need a small amount of capital because you need funds. You actually need funds to start things off with. It doesn't have to be much, but it also cannot be too little. It has to be a decent amount. And fourth, you need a decent amount of marketing knowledge. Because once you source the products into your store, once you have the products into your store, you need to know how to market those products off to your potential buyers, right? 3 entities are involved. You, the seller, the supplier, and the customer. Here's how it goes. For the first step, you have a niche, you have some niche that you're very passionate about. And then you find a supplier, an online supplier, to find products related to that niche so that you can source those products into your store. This is where AliExpress comes in. AliExpress is a Chinese-based online marketplace where the items are pretty much at wholesale prices. Not all of them, but most of them are. And the prices are very, very low as compared to retail prices, the ones that you see in stores. For the second step, you open your e-commerce store. Now, there are a wide variety of options to choose from to host your online store on. You can use WooCommerce, Wix, but the best one that I've found to have your online store on is Shopify. For the third step, you source those, after you found the products from AliExpress, you source those products into your Shopify store and you set them at their perceived value. So you're setting them as a retail price at their perceived value. So every item has a certain value that it is perceived as. So if that item looks as if it's $30, then you set that price as $30. Fourth step, you need to market those products to your potential buyers. Now you need to find passionate buyers and you need to advertise to them using Facebook ads, Instagram influencers, using Pinterest ads, Google AdWords, any kind of advertising strategy or tactic so that you can sell them off to your customers. Fifth step, a customer actually makes a purchase from your store at the retail price. 6, after the customer made the purchase, you go into AliExpress, you find that product, you buy it at wholesale price, and you tell the supplier to ship them directly to the customer that bought it from your store at its retail price. 7, you gain a profit off of the difference from minusing the advertising cost and also the cost of the item itself with the retail price that you set that product as on your store. And that's it. that's pretty much what dropshipping is. So you sell items to customers without even having to own them. Now you might be wondering, why wouldn't that customer or anyone else buy from AliExpress directly instead of buying through your store or any other Shopify store doing dropshipping? Now there are several reasons why, but I'm just going to highlight a few of them. Oh, here's one. The product isn't actually everything. So it's not, when sellers, they sell their products off to the customers, it's not just because of the product itself that causes the success of the purchase, of the sale. There are other factors that go into successfully selling a product, like the brand itself, the marketing tactics that company used on that specific person, whether or not that product was trending at the time. Like when fidget spinners were trending, it was very trending that the whole wide world knew about it, and when they saw them in front of them, when the ad showed in front of them, they purchased the product because it was trending. And another one, not everyone knows about AliExpress, about the existence of AliExpress. Not everyone knows that the prices of the products on AliExpress are at wholesale price. They're way cheaper than the ones that you see in stores. It might be hard to believe this, but this business actually works. It works. It really does. But in my opinion, the biggest advantage that anyone that wants to know about online businesses, wants to pursue entrepreneurship, can gain from this experience, from getting into this business model, is that they can learn lots of things that they won't learn in classes, in lectures. You can learn about biopsychology. You have real life experiences. You have experiences where you run the ads yourself. You find the products. You find the customers. You deal with the problems. Because the best way to learn is to actually execute. You have to take action. Without taking action, it will never happen. No matter how many books you read, in the end, the way for you to actually succeed with anything, not just business, is to actually take action. It might be late for me to explain to other people about Shopify dropshipping, about dropshipping, because it has been going on for a few years now. But believe it or not, and this was actually very surprising for me as well, not everyone knows about this business model. So it's not really well known around the world. Like it's very popular in USA, UK, Canada, Australia. In my country, like I'm living in Malaysia. It's in the Southeast Asian region. I have never met anyone who knows about this business model. And I also went to this official event where it was a Malaysian eCommerce summit, in hopes of finding other people who were doing what I was doing about online businesses, about dropshipping. And I found no one. Nobody was doing what I was doing. Nobody knew about this business model. But thankfully, yes, I gained a lot of knowledge about other online businesses that was going on in this region of the world. And there was only this one guy. He was from Switzerland. And he didn't actually know about this business model from here, from my country. He knew about it from his own country, in Switzerland. And then he attended the Malaysian e-commerce summit in hopes of learning more about e-commerce, about online businesses in general. Like pretty much everyone else who attended the event was trying to achieve. That's all I have for today. If you found the content helpful, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down in the comment section down below if you'd like to hear about any other videos about online businesses, about Shopify, about dropshipping, any improvements that I could make to help you go further in your business. I'm going to be releasing more videos on Shopify, about dropshipping, about online businesses in the future, so stay tuned. If you're looking to learn more about dropshipping, check out the description down below. I have a free Shopify dropshipping hackbook, a beginner-friendly step-by-step guide on Shopify dropshipping. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.